Welcome to today's lesson on asset classes explained. In this video, you'll learn about the main categories of investments and what makes each one unique. Understanding asset classes is fundamental to building a strong investment portfolio. By the end of this session, you'll have a clear picture of how different types of investments work and how they can fit into your financial strategy. Let's dive in and explore the world of investing together. When it comes to investing, there are four primary asset classes that form the foundation of most investment portfolios. First, we have stocks, which represent equity ownership in companies. Next are bonds, which are fixed-income debt securities issued by governments or corporations. Third is real estate, which involves investing in physical property. And finally, cash and equivalents, which include liquid short-term assets like savings accounts and money market funds. Each of these asset classes serves a different purpose and carries its own level of risk and potential return. Let's take a closer look at stocks. When you buy stock, you're purchasing an ownership stake in a company, making you a shareholder. Stocks offer capital appreciation potential, meaning their value can increase significantly over time. Many stocks also pay dividends, providing you with regular income. However, it's important to understand that stocks carry higher risk and volatility compared to other asset classes. Prices can fluctuate dramatically in the short term. That's why stocks are typically best suited for investors with a long-term growth focus who can weather market ups and downs. Now let's discuss bonds. When you invest in bonds, you're essentially lending money to a government or corporation in exchange for fixed interest payments over time. Bonds carry lower risk than stocks, making them a more conservative investment option. They provide a predictable income stream through regular interest payments, often called coupon payments. At the bond's maturity date, you receive your principal investment back. Bonds play a crucial role in portfolio stability and diversification, helping to balance out the volatility of stocks. Real estate is a tangible asset with intrinsic value that you can see and touch. One of its primary benefits is rental income generation, where tenants pay you regularly for using your property. Real estate typically appreciates over time, meaning its value increases. It also serves as an effective inflation hedge, as property values and rents tend to rise with inflation. However, real estate has lower liquidity than securities like stocks and bonds. This means you can't quickly convert it to cash, and selling property takes time and involves transaction costs. Beyond the traditional asset classes, there are alternative investments worth knowing about. Commodities include physical goods like gold, oil, and agricultural products. Cryptocurrencies represent digital currencies and blockchain-based assets, offering a modern investment avenue. Collectibles encompass art, antiques, and rare items that can appreciate in value over time. Private equity involves investing in non-public companies, often requiring larger capital commitments. These alternatives can add further diversification to a portfolio, though they often come with unique risks and may require specialized knowledge. Understanding the risk-return relationship is essential for making informed investment decisions. Cash offers the lowest risk, but also the lowest potential return, making it suitable for preserving capital. Bonds fall in the low to medium risk category with moderate return potential, providing a balance between safety and growth. Real estate sits at medium risk with moderate to high return potential, offering both income and appreciation. Stocks carry the highest risk, but also offer the highest return potential over the long term. Generally, the more risk you're willing to take, the higher your potential rewards, but also the greater your potential losses. This brings us to one of the most important principles in investing, diversification. By combining different asset classes in your portfolio, you can reduce overall risk while still maintaining growth potential. This strategy works because different asset classes often perform differently under various economic conditions. When stocks are down, bonds might be stable, or when inflation rises, real estate might protect your wealth. As the old saying goes, don't put all your eggs in one basket. Diversification is your best defense against market volatility and your path to building long-term wealth. Thank you for watching, and remember to apply these principles as you build your investment portfolio.
If you like this video, hit that like button and don't forget to subscribe. Visit CodeLucky.com for more such useful content.